Cooking with Crystal, cooking with Crystal, cooking with Crystal. It's my birthday. Welcome back to Cooking with Crystal. I am Crystal Holiday, and y'all, today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. We are going to have some delicious food today. We're going to have some spicy jerk wings, turkey wings, because I love turkey wings. And I'm going to be making some mussels for my family. And here are our ingredients. We have celery, ginger, garlic, oranges. We have turkey wings, tri-colored bell pepper, red and white onions. And these are our beautiful ingredients. Our seasonings are, we're going to start off by cutting the celery really thin. And we're going to cut our bell peppers as well, kind of chopped up, because we're making the sauce for the turkey wings to marinate in. So we just cut all 3 bell peppers. And of course the red ones are my favorite. They are the highest in nutrients and vitamins out of all the peppers. We're going to get our onion in. And once you finish cutting up your ingredients, you're going to cut it up and put everything in a bowl. So just chop them up, because we're going to put it in the food processor anyway. And we're going to get our garlic going, because you know everything tastes good with garlic as far as I'm concerned. And this is a whole garlic. And we throwing some ginger in. Even though my husband don't like ginger, I love ginger. So we're going to put ginger in here, because these are my birthday turkey wings. So of course I'm going to have everything I love in them, as well as the spiciness. And we're going to do our red. We're going to cut up our red onion, roughly chopped. And we're going to put everything in the food processor. We're going to put a little olive oil in, a little bit of water, and we're going to marinate our turkey wings in this for at least 6 hours. Overnight, if you have the time. Just going to pulsate this until it's finely chopped. In a pan, you're going to pour this all over the turkey wings and marinate for 6 hours. And these are the ingredients that is in our broth for our mussels. We have garlic, onions, bay leaf, celery, look at those mussels. They look delicious, although I don't eat them. And here's how our turkey wings are going. Look at them, they're becoming really, really brown and delicious. They're about 70% done, and we're going to just baste them. definitely want to take your time because you want your turkey wings to be nice, moist, and relatively easy to pull apart. And there's nothing better than grilled, smoked, spicy jerk turkey wings. And they'll look just like this, nice and smoky looking and dark and just straight deliciousness. Deliciousness. Look at that. Look at that. And here you have it. We have our smoked, jerk, grilled turkey wings. Good. I had this on the grill all day long. But look how as this falls off. There. Look at this. That is so good. Look at that. I did not pot boil it. I just put it on the grill. It's so hot, but it's so delicious. Today was perfect. I had my friend over, and I've known her since I was 10. I made the mussels for her, and you saw her eat them. Here she is saying her prayers. And she's going to dig right in. She has her crunchy bread, her noodles, and her mussels. She never had the mussels with spaghetti. Well, yeah, spaghetti. I always put the spaghetti noodles on her bottom. This was one of the best birthdays. What's that? That is so cute. This is my cake. Oh,
That's so nice.
wow.
Go ahead, Mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mine. Happy birthday to you.
So nice. I had to let you see my husband eat some of this jerk grilled turkey wings. Look at him. He loved it as well.
Babe, you nailed it. These turkey wings, off the chain. Listen, gotta try it. Thank you, baby. Appreciate you. You always do me good.
Just fall off the bone.
That's it.
Y'all got to try this recipe. It's right here. Delicious. And it's so tender and just delicious. That is so good. It's got a lot of spice to it, but it's not so spicy where to make you cough. This barbecue don't have no barbecue sauce on it. It's just delicious. Look at the golden color. And this tastes as good as it looks. And then it got this nice crunch on the skin. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Crystal Holiday. And as always, be blessed. And happy birthday to me. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed.